Here is a Fanimation Crease ceiling fan in matte white. I got this fan a few years ago at Lowe's. I think it was 2018 when these were first being discontinued. And this fan used to be installed in my upstairs hallway, which is now a new fan, which you will see in the future. It's a pretty rare one, and I've made a video of it before, so it'll be a remake, but it's pretty nice. But anyway, this fan is now installed in the hallway to my office and laundry room. Because, why not? There used to be a boob light here, but now it has been replaced with this Fanimation Crease. Here's the remote control. It's not focusing, but okay. Here's the light. Has a 75 watt halogen mini cam bulb. That's kind of dim, but it's fine. Nobody uses this light anyway. So we will start on low speed. This is one of my absolutely favorite models from Fanimation. I'm really sad that they discontinued it, but oh well. It's a really unique design, and it should have really been in their Showroom Collection instead of their Lowe's collection. I think it has a 153, which is a good size motor for a 36-inch fan. It's not like you need a 188 or 212 for a 36-inch fan, because that would be crazy. This hallway is really narrow, and there's only like 1.5 inches of clearance on both sides of the fan, so you can only feel the air far away, but it works. Medium. I've heard there have been a lot of problems with the remote controls with the Fanimation Crease, but so far, and I've used this fan for like 4 years now, there have been no problems at all. So it could just be because my model is a really late one, and some of the other models are newer, but no problems here. And now high speed. Fanimation first introduced this style of remote control with their Lowe's collection, and now they have switched it to their entire lineup, including the showroom fans. And this is one of my favorite remotes that any fan company has ever made, because it's light, it's thin, and it's easy to use. Like some of the remotes, you have to hold down the button to dim the light, but this one there's up down arrows, so it's easier to use. And the timer function is pretty nice, although I've never used it. It's mostly in balance. There's a little bit of wobble, but it's fine. And off. But anyway, that's it for this fan. Thanks for watching. Bye!